Electrical truck. Zoom in. No, it ain't California. It's Ohio plate. I'm sitting here. Um, we got the remnants of I think Ida, coming in for the next 2 days or so. I'm sitting here under the awning at the Shoney's that has closed down and wrapped up and moved out of town, much like the White Castle across the way. Um, we got boys in here tonight, from Ohio, and they are here, from what I was told, for Louisiana. Um, so yeah, I mean, like we got like I'm not gonna get up, but there's like a whole parking lot over there, um, in front and around the Holiday Inn Express there, with electric trucks like this one, from Ohio. And so, it's like, hey, like, what can I say? I asked them, and he said, yeah, we're here for Louisiana. I'm like, oh, I would have thought, Waverly. It was like, oh, hey, who knows? Who cares? It's another day in America here. Um, thank God it's not for COVID. Anyways, it was sort of ironic. I saw a bunch of these guys, electrical, electricians or whatever they are. I just saw them, crossing the street there, like a group of 30 or so, heading back to I guess their hotel room at the Holiday Inn Express, and I'm thinking to myself, hey, it's like some of these guys, like in Ohio, like from Ohio, like maybe they've never been to Nashville before. Like it's like, hey, wow, look at the opportunity that fate has given me. I'm in Nashville. You know, now that I'm in Nashville, all paid for, what do I want to do? So, and I felt for them because it's about 5, 6 o'clock here. Rush hour is about dying. Like the mile long, white car train, leads across White Bridge to West End, has moved on and disappeared. It's like, what are these guys gonna do tonight? It's like, hey, it's just, we got to stop in Nashville before, Louisiana or wherever. That's like, what are we? And I'm thinking, oh my God, you got the Music Hall of Fame, you got, the Musicians Hall of Fame. It doesn't all have to be South Broadway. It doesn't all have to be, Miranda's or Jason Aldean's or, there's places you guys can go and like really dig into like Nashville without the booze, and from me, without the price of Nashville. And then it dawned on me, oh, rush hour is just about over. Everybody has gone home except for the children. downtown Nashville with their princess chariots and their pedal taverns and their Kid Rock bars. The Country Music Hall of Fame is closed. The Musicians Hall of Fame is closed. Maybe the next trip, huh?